listen, on the day that God has appointed, which is today, he said, you shall pass over. You're not coming under. He didn't say you're not going to go through. No. He said, you shall pass over. Now, if we're human, the only way you pass over is that you get in a plane.
Come on.
And you take off.
All right.
And the propulsion and the engines and everything will lift the plane up over territory. It would take you too long to cross. If you walk. But God is about to accelerate your transition. He said, on that day, whose day is it?
My day.
Right now, whose day is it?
It's my day.
I said, whose day is it?
My day.
On your day, May 15th, 2016.
Come on.
16. Your day has arrived.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
And in that day, you're going to experience an acceleration. You shall pass over. There's some things that God don't even want you to have to struggle with. He's going to just let you pass over. Going through is one thing. Encountering the problem is another. But when God says, you shall pass over, it means that he has already developed the kind of mechanism, engine activity, the kind of force that grants you the ability to rise above all of your turbulence and level off in the realm of the spirit and wind up in destiny without having to incur scars, wounds, and losses. I'm here to tell somebody today, you shall pass over.